My beautiful wife decided that we needed a date. We're gonna do some bowling. There it is, 0-0. 0-0, bunny. Are you ready for this? Our first bowling date as a couple. Who will win the prize? She's 2 behind. Oh man, what is this? 35, if you notice what my speed is. 34.4, and that's after like ripping my arm out of its socket 5 times.
No way.
33.6.
Huh.
One more on the speed, one more on the speed. What's the speed?
35.
Oh, got her ball. Too big? She needs a new ball. Okay. You're very consistent at a certain kind of throw. She just, oh, you're 1 behind. 5 minutes left. Can she do it? It's a sniper shot. I'm embarrassed. Trying to wait for her to get out of here. We got 4 minutes left. How many points are you behind? Oh my god. I am the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. I'm in trouble. Wait, you only get 1 because you striked it. Left hand. Left hand.
Now what?
Didn't have the sliding technique and I had to do the margin throw. It's not possible.
Yeah.
Let's follow that up with This is ridiculous. They should have like a sign of like a clown laughing at you. Going off the strike. Oh, this could be damaging to my... Oh, you're winning! Hurry up, 3 minutes left. It's not. She's winning. Oh man, I'm drunk. Here we go. Let's try it. This is just, I got one more. Wrists are no strategy. Now we're rushing. 2 minutes. I took the lead by 3. Oh no, you're winning. You gotta hurry though, so give me a shot. 1 minute. Oh, that's it. You put the nail in the coffin. You got a chance here.
No way. That's my turn.
Oh no. You got that strike. Final one. What's gonna happen? Oh, you gotta keep going. Oh, 0 minutes. Oh, that might be close. Oh, so is it over?
No, stop. Stop.
The name of final scores, nail by G. Very good. That was our date, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I think she did great. Thank you. I'm not quite used to Varkaus bowling balls.